Hey, this is Grayson with KORONA POS, here with a quick reminder. As we get closer to the end of the year and tax season is coming up, don't forget to generate your end-of-year warehouse report to capture your end-of-year product quantity on hand. This report is essential for filing your taxes accurately and keeping your inventory records in check. To avoid any last-minute hassle, we recommend running the report as close to the year end as possible. As a side note, we recommend selecting Sort by Product on this page, as it tends to look better for this purpose. If you have our Plus package, make sure your automatic report dispatch is set up to run the report for you, so your numbers are as precise as they can be. It's ideal to run this at the close of business December 31st or January 1st before you open. If you need help with this or more info, our support team is just a call away. Alternatively, you can check out the manual pages on warehouse reports and automatic reports dispatch, both linked in the description below.